I wasn't even going to have this, but Ellie wanted it, so she asked me for it, and then obviously I was like, well, obviously I'm going to have some myself, right? 2 things, I'm boiling, right? And I got the wrong bra on to wear a white top, but I did have a jumper over this, okay? Just so we know. Right, then we've got some cheese, so like put some underneath. Oh, I gave her some of the cheese. Darn it. I could grate some more, but can't be bothered. Beaneroonies. Get those bad boys on. I might as well just have the last little bit. There's no point leaving that. Beans are good for you, right? When you pile it up, it always looks way more than it actually is. So she'll have exactly the same as me, but she obviously won't have the mayo. She does like mayo, but can you hear the film I've got on? I can't remember what it is. Something about a weekend. Right, and that also she eats don't know what I'm doing. She eats it with a fork, like sometimes. Right, let's just have a little go. By the way, guys, thanks for the suggestions. Oh my god, I ran out of soda, I think. No! Oh, you can't have this because otherwise it just doesn't taste good. And I know this looks like a lot, but it's hardly coming out. Okay. Anyway, thanks for the suggestions about, I went to Home Bargains and I got some Sensodyne. Is it Sensodyne? Toothpaste. I got the rapid one. Is that what you guys meant? Anyway, I got that. So it's £3.25, I think. And I just hope that something comes of it, I'll tell you. I mean, I literally brush my teeth every day. I have no idea what's going on. At this point, I feel like I should just go and get all my teeth out and just have veneers. Well, I just have problem after problem. Also, I've got Domino's there from yesterday, obviously. So I'm going to watch this. I'm going to watch my film. I just can't. Like, this is what you want. Cheese. Do you know what? A lot of people have, like, roast dinners and stuff and, like, you know, really nice. And there's me. And now, cheese, pasta, beans. Do you know what I mean? I wish I had more cheese. I know it looks like I've got a lot of cheese, but I haven't. Okay. This is literally the cheese that I use. Like, it's not even... It's so good. It's just a cheap version. It's not coming out. I like to taste it. Do you know what I mean? Right, anyway. That. It just tastes so much nicer. And that light mayonnaise. Nah, I'm not doing it again. It's just not the same. Oh, you can't beat it. Look how red I am. I did a video the other day. Someone put, are you ill or have you just not got no makeup on? I don't know how to take that. I found it funny. Lucky I'm not insecure, innit? Anyway, I'm out. Have a good evening.